In today's video, I am going to teach you how to run your own affiliate program with System.io. To get started, log into your System.io account and look to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is where you manage the main account options related to your business, including how your affiliate program will work. Once you are inside the Settings area, move to the menu on the left-hand side and click Affiliate Program Settings. This section is where you define the default rules for your affiliate program. So it is important to take a moment and choose values that match your business model and payout strategy. First, enter your default commission percentage. This is the percentage affiliates will earn when they successfully refer a sale. Make sure this amount is competitive but also sustainable for your business. You want a commission rate that encourages promotion while still protecting your profit margins. Next, set the minimum payout amount. This controls how much an affiliate must earn before they can receive a payout. Setting a minimum can help you manage payment processing more efficiently, especially if you expect to work with a larger number of affiliates. After that, enter the delay before payout. This setting determines how long System.io waits before releasing affiliate commissions. This can be useful for accounting for refunds, chargebacks, or any verification period you want in place before commissions are paid out. When those default values are entered, click Affiliate Commission Payouts. This will take you to the area where you choose how affiliate payments will be sent. Here, select your default payout method. You can choose between PayPal or wire transfer depending on what works best for your business operations and for the affiliates you plan to work with. After selecting the payout method you want to use by default, click Save to apply your changes. It is always a good idea to review everything once before moving on, just to make sure your commission percentage, payout threshold, delay, and payment method are all set the way you want. Once these settings are saved, your affiliate program foundation is in place. This means your account is now configured with the default affiliate rules that will apply moving forward, making it easier to manage commissions and payouts consistently. That covers everything you need to know.